At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a PG, paying guest, business can be a lucrative venture, especially in areas with a high demand for affordable housing solutions. Here's a general guide on how to start. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the demand for PG accommodations in your target area. Understand the demographics, preferences, and needs of potential customers. 2. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan outlining your objectives, target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal requirements. Ensure that you comply with all legal requirements and regulations related to operating a PG business in your area. This may include obtaining permits, licenses, and adhering to safety and health regulations. 4. Location. Choose a strategic location for your PG facility. Consider factors such as proximity to educational institutions, offices, transportation hubs, and amenities. 5. Property acquisition or rental. Decide whether you want to purchase a property or rent one for your PG business. Evaluate the cost, location, and suitability of the property based on your target market. 6. Facilities and amenities. Furnish the property with essential amenities such as beds, furniture, appliances, and basic household items. Consider offering additional amenities like Wi-Fi, cleaning services, laundry facilities, and security features to attract tenants. 7. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract tenants to your PG accommodation. Utilize online platforms, social media, local advertisements, and word-of-mouth referrals to reach your target audience. 8. Tenant screening and agreements. Implement a thorough screening process for potential tenants to ensure a safe and harmonious living environment. Draft rental agreements outlining the terms and conditions of occupancy, including rent, security deposit, house rules, and responsibilities. 9. Management and maintenance. Establish effective management and maintenance systems to oversee day-to-day operations, handle tenant inquiries and concerns, and ensure the upkeep of the property. 10. Financial management. Keep track of your finances meticulously. Maintain records of income, expenses, and taxes. Implement a system for rent collection, invoicing, and budgeting to ensure the financial sustainability of your PG business. 11. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to tenants to foster positive relationships and encourage tenant retention. Address any issues or complaints promptly and strive to create a welcoming and supportive living environment. Starting a PG business requires careful planning, dedication, and attention to detail. By following these steps and adapting to the needs of your target market, you can establish a successful PG accommodation business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.